Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one, we have 2x. Because we don't have number 2 and 202, so we need to divide both sides by 2 numbers in here. And you got 404. So this one we change for you. The S we change for this one. So the integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.